guys, welcome to La Mesa. What a beautiful morning. Good morning guys, Sunday fun day. Welcome back to the channel, the Wit Style channel. So today we're going to ride at La Mesa Dam. So as you can see, La Mesa Dam has been closed since the pandemic, and this is my first time going back. So I'm a little bit excited because we haven't been there with our Sunday fun day adventure. So I hope everybody will be safe again. Let's continue to practice the new normal, like social distancing, wearing some masks, and what else? So let's recap on last week's adventure. So as you can see guys, Puray Falls is very much devastated by the storm, and almost all of the access road going through there is inaccessible to motorized vehicle, even if you're riding a motorcycle. So bike is only the accessible way. As you can see, it's very saddening, especially when I was reviewing the footage, the part 2. It is very sad to see that the roads, the people there also got hit, especially those in the innermost areas. So near the river, their house was washed out. Some of them got the floor has been eroded. So there's many destruction there that happened. So anyway, I hope we can all recover soon, and I hope we can also help each other. You know guys, our life is just it's just a gift from God. So we have to be very grateful every day with our dealings within our life, because life is very special. It only happens once, and as much as possible we enjoy it. So and also help other people. So wish me luck today. So Sunday fun day with the Wit Style channel. See you later guys. So we're going to order some BK. I wonder, maybe we'll just eat some Whopper Junior something. We'll order 2, and then one will be our baon. So at least we can have food in the trail. So Sunday fun day, the Wit Style channel. See you later. The Wit Style channel. So guys, anyway, malapit na tayo. So last week is a very saddening experience, but we have to move on and help our brothers and sisters who are in need. And maybe when we go back there, we'll bring some used clothes and some things that they can use. What? It's still not here. Oh, I think I'm getting lost because I've never been here ever. I mean, it's been a long time since I've been here. So as you can see, we're turning right. Hey, so excuse me, doggy. Excuse me, doggy. I hope you're not there na. Okay. So, as we go in, we're greeted by a guard. And then, the mesa with the chicken. And then, okay, so Sunday fun day is starting. Good luck, guys. See you in the trail. The With Style channel, so we will find where they park so we can gather together. And so many na. Okay, see you later, guys. I think they're here. Timestamp 6:36, so a little bit late, but it's cool. Everybody's here na. Okay, good morning. Oh, good morning. Sunday fun day? Sunday fun day. Sunday fun day. Sorry, late ako. Kompleto na tayo? Ah, okay, okay. Daming tao ngayon. So, as you can see, you have to wear mask. Then, stretching na tayo and labas na natin yung bike. Okay? Sunday fun day. Okay, good morning. So, everybody's here na. Oh, Randy, say hi to the With Style channel.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
So,
5 stitches.
fast healing. After 2 weeks, he's back in business. Wow, nice. So, this is my birthday gift to Uncle. He just received it right now, last time because of the pandemic. So, I hope it fits him perfectly. And it's nice. Bagay na bagay sa kanya kasi ngayon hindi na siya magsa-sideline ng construction. So, ano na, magbabike na kami talaga. I hope he will not slip his fingers na. Oh, anyway, Sunday fun day. The With Style channel. So I'm going to prepare and get my bag so we can start our Sunday fun day. The With Style channel, guys. Hello.
Ilang minuto ka makakapag-traction? 5 minutes?
1 minute lang. Nakakapagod eh.
Ano kailangan?
Okay guys, so we're here at the registration. So let's beat this virus together. Mask is a mask, and I avoid touching men, mouth, eyes, and nose. Okay, so when you're in the trail, avoid touching this guy. Avoid touching men. So we'll be registering and then we'll be up in the trail. Okay, temperature check 36.2. So okay, and then tapos yung donation po dito saan magbibigay?
Dito po, pag ilagay nyo lang, kung mayroon po, pag ilagay na lang.
Oh, okay.
36 pesos.
Cash donation tayo. Sana makatulong at makarating sa ano.
May wheelbarrow.
Okay, salamat. Okay, Sunday Funday, the Wit Style Channel. Oh shit. Ah. Okay, with Style Channel, Sunday Funday starting. Let's get ready. Okay, ready, warriors? Antok pa. Antok pa. Mamaya, wala na rin silang lakas para sumigaw. Okay, go! 1, 2, 3! Warriors! Go! Sunday Funday! 1, 2, 3! Sunday Funday! Funday! Hey, Sunday Funday starting! The Wit Style Channel! Alright! Kaya unahan na natin sila. Okay. Sunday Funday. Swerte si Teo, walang putik ngayon. Woo! Sunday Funday. Morning, Darwin. Sunday Funday. Woohoo! Woo! This is where I feel so much alive. So it's nice to have a hobby, a workout like this. Because it exercises the brain and your muscle, makes the heart strong, mind sharp, and the soul. Woo! It's not. Ha? Oh, sige. Downers! What? Woo! Break. Regulate the speed. Watch them sliding corners. Konti na lang. First gear, second gear. Kita niyo guys kung gaano kahirap. Almost all of them will push their bikes. Okay. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. So lahat sila hindi nakaano. So that's what we call sharp minds. Kailangan may buwelo yan. Ayan, si Superman will try. Nako, si Teo lang ang malakas. Oops, so. Okay, move, Ken. He's up. Hello, go. Relax. Nice. Si Ken lang ang malakas. Sunday Funday. Only Ken succeed. So here's Joey. And here's Superman. He's trying his best. Oh no. Doesn't work. It's alright. Si Ken lang ang malakas. Sunday Funday, guys. So, Joseph. Sunday Funday. First time? Naman. Okay. Everybody is ano. So, kuya, ikaw sweeper? Ay. Sino, next room? Sorry. Oh, alam ko, let's go na. Okay, so we're back again. And here with Joseph on the front. So I am challenging myself for the YouTube because I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers. So this is my road to 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter if it takes long or it would take it fast, but I really would like to appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe. Whoa, to the Wit Style channel. So here's the climb. You have to take it slow. So I hope everybody in my group is subscribed to my channel. So while watching this, I have a gift for them, for those of my friends who are subscribed in Christmas. So stay tuned, guys, to the Wit Style channel. Woo! Okay, so a little bit tired. First stopover. Tower 1, 7 kilometers more. So you can do it, so easy lang. And then let's wait for the others to arrive. There are so many already. Okay, so our group is not no, and there's a butterfly bothering me. If you can see that, ooh. Here, butterfly. So cool, oh. Even the kids are riding a bike, so I think we are already complete. Joseph is here. Check. Ken is here. Check. Darwin. Sunday fun day. Hello guys, there's kids here, so I hope next time guys my kids can join me here. So having my Sunday fun day. Let's go, 5 seconds. Go. Go. Who's first?
Oh, nakakita ako dyan. Saan na Tower 1?
Hindi, dito. Iba yata yan, shortcut yan.
CR. Train to CR.
Okay, let's go guys. Go. Sunday fun day.
It's gonna be fun day, nothing.
Language please. Language. My kids are watching. Teet. Oh, think about food daw. That's the secret of climbing. So very good. It's only Ken who climbed the hill. He anticipated the climb, even if he had no vuelo or speed. He made the climb easily with the right gear and the right attitude. Never give up, especially when he put his mind on food. It's like spare ribs, roast duck. Every pedal is siomai, dim sum. Okay, lechon. Magki-Christmas na. Kailangan makabawas muna ng ng timbang. Lose weight. So we can attack the food. December na naman guys. So Merry Christmas. So as you can see, my loyal subscriber will have a gift on Christmas. I hope it can arrive soon. So, and to my subscribers too, thank you for your support. I hope you can like, share, and subscribe to the Style channel. So if you want to have a gift on Christmas, you can comment down below on this video, so we can arrange your gift on Christmas. So Sunday fun day. See you on the trails. The Style channel. Okay guys, so we're here. We're back on the trails. So nandito ako sa mga kasama kong malalakas. So sila yung mga nauuna sa pack. Ryan, the leader, the strongest among us. And you can see guys, dati chubby yan, pero ngayon fit na fit. So his secret is riding a bike. And what else is your secret? Not eating sugar, sweets. Dumbbell. So, dumbbell exercise lang ha. Every day. So you need more protein. So anyway, thank you for the tip, Ryan. So I hope we can emulate him, because the first time I met him is like he's 200 pounds and now he's, what is your weight? Wow, 175. So 25 pounds lighter. So he's 25 pounds faster. So we have to join his endeavor to having a fit body, fatless, and sugar-free lifestyle. So here's Kuya overtaking, and as you can see, Ryan already left me because anyway, I still have to conserve my energy because there's a lot of grounds to tackle. So Sunday fun day, the Wit Style channel. So guys, a little bit of climb na. So Uncle here already surpassed me, wearing his signature Superman clothes. So I envy this guy because even though he's 100 years old, he's still riding his bike. So I hope when I get to his age, I can still get to ride with him. So maybe he will be 200 years old. So anyway, kidding aside, he is really strong. So anyway, see you later. Rider, hindi sabay-sabay. Guys, distansya, distansya. Distansya, distansya. Okay, go, go, go. Sunod-sunod na, oy. Let's go. Para hindi tayo dikit-dikit pababa. Dali lang. Okay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Okay lang. Go! Woo! The Wit Style speed! Whoa! Woo! Okay, so here's what we call the dike. So heavy. This is another climb, so we have to conserve our energy and slowly but carefully climb steep section. Whew. So I hope I can make it. This is the recovery. Rest. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. I think 200 meters left. I can do it. So, first gear, 52 teeth. Here we go. Whew. Okay, 50 meters. Oh my god. Ah, shucks. I did not make it. Almost. Fail. So anyway, it's alright. We'll wait for them on the high ground. Whew. Laban si Randy. Nice. Ganun lang guys. Madali. So, nobody is stopping Randy. Not even a wound in his chin. So, commend to the new member, new warrior member, Randy. Grabe. Hirap guys. Sayang, hindi ko na tapos. It's alright. Per member, signing up na. So, here we are, the centenarian. Lakas oh. Okay. Okay, make way, make way. Make way guys. For those who are climbing para nice. Lakas nila. Sino nahulog? Hey guys, so we have discovered mini falls. The Which Style Channel Falls. Okay? Kita nyo guys, may W dyan. Zigzag siya. So anyway, let's go! Para paabot na tayo sa tower. Okay. Climb the tower. So this is my first time bringing a drone and a GoPro here. It's going to be a good adventure. As you can see, it's a little bit muddy because it's rain. Climb again. So fun day, the Which Style Channel. Guys, matagal pa pala. So, layo pa pala ng Tower 1. And most of our friends are at the back. Except for Randy. He's in the front again. Hope he's alright. And I hope everybody's alright too. In the back. So we take it easy now. Sunday Funday, the Wheat Style channel. Okay guys, good morning. So we're here at our favorite spot in the Mesa, Tower 1. Let me show you guys. Oops, wrong. There's Tower 1. There's my bike. Sunday Funday, the Wheat Style channel. The Mesa is still amazing. No sweat guys. So I'm here all alone. First to come and last to go out. That's how the leader of the pack works. So I hope they realize that this is the tower already and I'll be climbing up. So first I'll just take a picture of me and some Sunday Funday cool shots. Bike. Tripod here, the rocks. Okay guys, so we will try to climb the Babagli Tower. It's kind of... Good morning po sir! So it's kind of dangerous because it's a very old tower, but doesn't matter. We have the courage to climb up slowly. As you can see. Whoa! This is already rusted. Okay. A few more steps, but it's still tiring. The step is getting steeper and steeper. And then oxygen is a little bit but getting a little bit easy. Okay, final climb. See, it's so hard. One by one, you can make it. And then we will wait for them until they arrive, so we can rest here for now. Alright. Oh, thank you, Lord. We've reached the summit, guys. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay. See that, guys? So, better be careful. As you can see, the down is very hard. See that, guys? Flying the drone, we'll guys, so we're going down for the Sunday fun day. So it's the channel. So another National Geographic time again. Ay, naputakte, nawas. What's that? Peach tea. Peach tea. I have no idea what's that, but look at that guy. There's so many. You can see there's things. So you have to be very, very careful. So many. I hope that I don't disturb them. And please don't follow me going down. See? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so at least guys you have an idea what I'm looking at. So there it is. Okay guys, see that? Then you go down there and then can you see the side? My drone is still here with me. I think I have to pack it away now, just to be sure. I don't want to. Anyway, we can still vlog and try it on later. We're still so far away. See you there. Okay, Sunday fun day. I hope I'm safe climbing down this thing. We have to approach this. Oh fuck! Oh my god! The wasp flew. Oh my god! Are they attacking me? I don't think so. So let's continue climbing down backwards because I think this is the most safest approach. You can see you're not getting afraid looking down, but you have to hold on tight. There's no zoom here, so anyway, we just do this slowly and gently because it's so hard to fall down, especially in a far away place. Familiar terrain. So this one we can tackle this like a pro. Straight. The step is steep. You have to be careful. Don't be scared, guys. I'm not ashamed to admit, but a little bit. Look! Oh pala, ayan ang look guys. We have dog dudes here. So, Sunday fun day guys with dog. So nice that we have a familiar face here. So, yeah. Oh, you have to subscribe to my channel. So, oh no. Nice to see you too, Doc. Long time no see. At least you're getting fit pa rin, ha? Okay lang yan, at least. Anyway, muna siya guys.